We always hear some segment of the society arguing and protesting about red meat consumptions. Wait, let me make one thing clear here. This is not any religious related issue being discussed. We'll discuss the scientific reality of red meat consumption, exploring whether it's healthy or not. That's all, nothing more than that. We usually categorize meat into red and white meat. Red meat is the meat of non-bird mammals, which is normally red when raw. Beef, pork, lamb, etc. are examples of red meat. Chicken, turkey and other meat from birds are white meat because these are white after being cooked. A research article almost a decade back on 7th March 2013 published a report that involved prominent research associations like the European Prospective Investigation into Cancer and Nutrition, EPIC, the National Institute of Health, American Association of Retired Persons, NIH-AARP, Health Study and the Health Professionals Follow-up Study. EPIC has conducted a large prospective cohort research study in 23 centers in 10 European countries on 26,344 participants, and the results were found to be shocking. Out of 26,344 participants, many died due to cardiovascular diseases, cancers, respiratory diseases, digestive tract diseases, and some other deaths are due to other causes. The cause for deaths was found somewhere relative to high consumption of red meat. But finally, EPIC report can be understood as the processed meat consumption was associated with the increased risk of death from cardiovascular diseases and cancer than red meat. But the largest study so far, the National Institutes of Health American Association of Retired Persons cohort in the US, reported that both red and processed meat consumption are the cause for deaths. Similarly, in the nurses' health study and the health professionals follow-up study, high red meat and processed intake was related to higher all cause of all kinds of death. On a final note, the research also showed that those people who consume less fruit and vegetable intake had a higher overall risk, and the ones who consumed vegetables and fruits along with necessary dietitian recommended foods claimed to have a healthy life. And now people who believe in research and science can answer to the arguers in a positive way. Thus, it is proved that present body structure of ours goes well with fruits, vegetables and other essentials. Isn't it great? Our India is not a simple land of soil, water, air and something else. It is something beyond that. It is not just a simple ecosystem. It is a system of culture in life and heritage in history. It is time to feel India from inside our soul.